Want to know the secret sauce behind a successful local business? It's all in the market research. In today's video, we'll uncover the crucial steps to get you ahead of the competition. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into the world of market research and learn how to conduct it before starting a local business. So if you're an aspiring entrepreneur, this video is a must watch. Let's jump right in. Before we begin, let's quickly define market research. It's the process of gathering and analyzing information about your target customers and competitors to identify business opportunities and potential challenges. In simple terms, it's like doing your homework before opening a business. Now that we know what it is, let's get started with the steps. So, first, you need to define your target market. This means identifying who your potential customers are and understanding their needs, wants, and preferences. You can do this by considering factors like age, gender, location, income, occupation, and lifestyle. Once you have a clear picture of your target market, it's easier to tailor your products or services to meet their exact needs. Next, you'll want to study your competitors. So analyze their strengths, weaknesses, and unique selling points. Look at the marketing strategies that they're using, the pricing that they're using, check out their customer reviews and their online presence. This will give you a good idea of what works well in your market and where there might be gaps that your business can fill. So to do this, use tools like Google Maps, Yelp, and social media platforms to find and analyze similar businesses in your area. Now it's time to gather primary data from your target audience. So conduct surveys and interviews to understand their pain points, preferences, and their expectations of your business or service. So you can use online tools like SurveyMonkey or Google Forms to create surveys or simply approach potential customers in person. Remember, ask open-ended questions and listen carefully to their feedback. This information is invaluable in shaping your business to fit the needs of your target market. Another essential aspect of market research is observing local trends. So keep an eye out on the local news, community events, social media conversations, identify any emerging trends or opportunities that may be relevant for your business. This will help you stay ahead of the curve and adapt to the changing needs of your target market. And to determine if there's enough local demand for your product or service, you need to analyze the local market. So look at the population size, growth trends, and economic climate in your area. You can find this information through websites like the US Census Bureau or your local Chamber of Commerce. Remember to consider seasonality as well, as some businesses may experience fluctuations in demand throughout the year. Once you've gathered all this information, it's time to test your idea. So create a minimally viable product, or what that means is a simplified version of your product or service, and offer it to a small group of your target audience, right? So if you plan to be a landscaper, maybe just start with offering lawn mowing and kind of see how you can stir up business for that and what people think, what they say they want when you're in that experience. So having a minimally viable product or simplified version of your product or service is going to allow you to see how well your product or service is received and make any necessary adjustments before you fully launch your business. After testing your idea, it's crucial to review and refine it based on the feedback and results you've gathered. So use this information to tweak your products, your services, your pricing, and your marketing strategy as needed. Don't be afraid to pivot if your initial idea isn't working out as well as you'd hoped. The key to success is being flexible and adaptable to the needs of your target market. Now, next step 8, now that you've conducted your market research, it's time to start creating that business plan, right? So your plan should outline your goals, strategies, target market, financial projections, and it'll serve as a roadmap for your business, guiding your decision-making and helping you stay on track. So a well-prepared business plan will also be crucial if you're seeking funding from investors or financial institutions. And finally, remember that the market research isn't a one-time task. Stay informed and keep learning from your industry, your target market, and competitors as your business grows. Continuously adapting and evolving based on new information will help you stay competitive and ensure your business's long-term success. And that's it. We've covered the essential steps to conduct market research before starting a local business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with fellow aspiring entrepreneurs. Thanks for watching. Best of luck with your market research and future business endeavors. See you in the next video.